Good afternoon, Mr. Tarun. Warm welcome to you at the 7th Renewable Energy India Expo. It's our pleasure to have you here at the event. We just wanted to know, what do you think about REI as a platform to promote the renewable energy industry here in India?
This is probably the biggest exhibition in India for renewable energy, and because we have people coming in from all over the world, so I think this is a place where new technologies are brought forth, and then uh, those people who want to invest into India, they can really come into contact with the developers who are located here. So I think this is a great platform for the industry to grow and learn from each other.
Sir, in terms of the show this year, what do you think are the highlighting features?
I think we have a good participation from Japan, and I think the solar industry participation is also quite good. So I think generally it's quite nice.
And sir, so one last question. What do you think is the future of the renewable energy industry here in India?
See, the only energy source which has a future in India is renewable. So there can be no question on that, because that's the only source we have in the country. And already the fossil fuel resources are creating such a drag on the Indian economy. The import bill has gone up so much, and today this has become a very major question for the country. So for self-reliance, I think renewable energy is the only answer.